Want to know how to find your biological father without his name? I can help with that. I'm Diahan Southard, your DNA guide. Searching for a birth father without knowing his name can be both challenging and deeply rewarding. Whether you're on a journey of self discovery or whether you're trying to help someone else, here are some tips to get you started with the DNA aspect of your research. Step 1. Take a DNA test from a company like Ancestry DNA, 23andMe, or MyHeritage DNA. These tests are simple. You order the kit, provide a saliva sample, and then send it back. In a few weeks, you'll receive a list of DNA matches. Your DNA matches are just other people who have also taken a test with this company and who share a significant amount of DNA with you. These matches might be distant cousins. They could also be close relatives, like first cousins or even half siblings, who can provide you clues about your birth father. Step 2. Set good expectations. Generally, to confidently identify one or two possible birth father candidates, you will need to have at least one match on his side with whom you share a significant amount of DNA, typically more than 400 centimorgans, which is just a unit of measure for DNA. If your closest match is more distant than that, it will be much more difficult to find a candidate, and it's more likely that there will be many possible choices. It might be a bit like finding a needle in a haystack. I talk about this more in my free guide to understanding DNA in birth roots searches, and that link is below. Step 3. Decide if you want to contact your matches. Remember, while you might be bringing closure and answers into your own life, you could potentially be introducing questions and turmoil into the lives of your DNA matches and their family. If you decide to move forward with contacting them, explain your situation clearly and respectfully. Be patient. Not everyone may respond immediately, and some might not have the answers that you're looking for. Step 4. Seek support. Searching for a birth parent can be emotionally taxing. Consider joining support groups or seeking counseling to navigate the emotional aspects of your search. Online communities and local adoption support groups can provide valuable advice and emotional support. Find a link below to some excellent support services. Remember, finding your birth father without knowing his name is a journey that takes time and patience. Each step forward is a step closer to understanding your roots and your heritage. Searching for a birth father can be a difficult and a lonely process, but expert help is available. Get my free guide to using your DNA in your birth root search. The link is below. You can also explore more do-it-yourself resources from me, your DNA guide, by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and share this video. I'm Diahan Southard. Thanks for letting me be your DNA guide.